European Union election marathon concluded on Sunday, where voters from the 27 nations of the EU headed to the polls to elect 720 members of the parliament. The electoral marathon, which began on Thursday, came at a pivotal moment for the EU, grappling with the wars in Ukraine and Gaza, witnessing what people believe to be a rightward shift of the European Union. The massive electoral process resulted in a victorious moment for Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni, whose Brothers of Italy group won the most votes as per exit polls. While in stark contrast, it was a shocking heartbreak for French President Emmanuel Macron, who resorted to call for snap national elections on June 30 in an attempt to re-establish his authority. Approximately 373 million people across the European Union were eligible to vote in the elections for the next European Parliament. The last day of the electoral marathon was no less than an electoral drama, as President Macron threw a bombshell calling for a snap parliamentary election after losing to his rivals Marine Le Pen and Jordan Bardella. Macron's loss came with the confirmation of the exit polls that gave an edge to Macron's rival, National Rally, projecting that the party would secure more than 30% of the vote.
Après avoir procédé aux consultations prévues à l'article 12 de notre Constitution, j'ai décidé de vous redonner le choix de notre avenir parlementaire par le vote. Je dissous donc ce soir l'Assemblée nationale. Cette décision est grave, lourde, mais c'est avant tout un acte de confiance. Confiance en vous, mes chers compatriotes, en la capacité du peuple français à faire le choix le plus juste pour lui-même et pour les générations futures.
Similar to Macron, German Chancellor Olaf Scholz too had to endure a painful night as his Social Democrats scored their worst result ever. The vote dealt a domestic blow to the leaders of both France and Germany, raising questions about how the European Union's major powers can drive policy in the bloc. Nonetheless, for Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni, it was a night to remember, as her Brothers of Italy group won the most votes in this weekend's European parliamentary election, exit polls said. Meloni's party won between 26 to 30% of the votes, giving a substantial edge to Meloni in propping the majority and deciding whether current EU President Ursula von der Leyen will get another term, since Italy has 76 of the 720 seats. Experts stated that the broader story of Europe's four-day vote marathon belonged to the parties of the centre-right emerging victorious. Leaders who are said to belong to right parties have strengthened their majority in the European Parliament, as indicated by the recent electoral victories recorded in Germany, Greece, Poland and Spain. For those unaware, the European Parliament is the top lawmaking body of the 27-member bloc European Union, with the elections taking place for over 4 days every 5 years in June. Despite being elections to an EU institution, they are still arranged and managed as national ballots by each of the EU's 27 member states, where some countries hold it on a single day, whereas other nations schedule it for over several days. While the issues vary from nation to nation, immigration, climate change, security and support for Ukraine are issues that matter across the bloc.